Hello everyone, it's Joy from Funtouch Kenya, and today we'll be diving into the features and capabilities of the Vivo V27. This stylish device comes with a warranty card, a plastic phone case, a 3-pin charging adapter, and Type-C cable packed inside the box. But let's explore what makes the Vivo V27 a worthy choice in the smartphone market. The Vivo V27 boasts a sleek and modern design with a stunning 6.78-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display and 120Hz refresh rate. It is powered by a Mediatek Dimensity 7200 processor. The Vivo V27 delivers smooth performance and multitasking capabilities. It is equipped with 8 GB of RAM. The device runs on Vivo's custom Funtouch 13 OS based on Android, providing a user-friendly interface. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate the Vivo V27's impressive camera setup. It features a triple rear camera system consisting of a 50-megapixel primary camera, 8-megapixel ultra-wide, and 2-megapixel depth sensor. On the front, there is a 50-megapixel selfie camera that provides sharp and stunning self-portraits. The Vivo V27 is equipped with 4600 mAh battery that provides ample power. It also has ample storage capacity with 128 GB and 256 GB internal storage, expandable via micro SD card. The Vivo V27 is available in 4 colors: Magic Blue, Noble Black, Emerald Green, and Flowing Gold, and it goes for 49,500 Kenyan shillings at Funtouch. You can place your order at our website www.funtouchkenya.com or head over to our physical store at the Bazaar Plaza, Mezzanine 1, Unit 5.